Good evening, ma'am. This is experiment number 4, that is scheduling um, process CPU scheduling. So, in CPU scheduling, we are going to discuss about the scheduling of the processes and shortest path first, and round robin method. And here in scheduling process, we are going to schedule that is we are going to scheduling the processes, that is we can call it as a CPU scheduler. So here I am going to initialize all the values and I'm going to enter number of processes and the burst time for each processor, and based on the burst time I'm going to calculate. I'm going to get the arrival time and the burst time, and I'm calculating the burst time and arrival time. So scheduling is the process uh, which needs to be executed uh, when an interrupt or something happens. So this is I'm going to burst time and arrival time I'm calculated, and for process one I'm calculating the waiting time and the scheduling of. So if it is the burst time is greater, adding of burst time with this is equal to, if it is the time is equal to the waiting time, then the scheduling is wrong. So always the scheduling will be uh, the process will be scheduled at the time when time increases and waiting time. So the total time, average time waiting will be displayed, and this is the time total waiting time of the processor, and it is displayed, and the average waiting time of the processor is total number of waiting time divided by number of processes, the average waiting time of a process, and thus we have executed the query and the output came. So number of processor and the burst time of process 1, burst time of process 2, and arrival time of process 1, arrival time of process 2. So total waiting time is 0, average waiting time is also 0. So this is FCFS, and when come scheduling, when comes first FCFS, it is first come first serve. So when which process comes first? So based on the burst time and the arrival time, it is calculated. So burst waiting time, the burst time is waiting time, and plus burst time will be the waiting time, and arrival time also will be the waiting time, and we are having total arrival time, and the processes by weight we are displaying, and arrival time we are calculating here, average waiting time we are calculating here and displaying the average waiting time. So which process is coming first? So this is process 1, and process 2's burst time, and the arrival time of process 0 is 3 and process 1 is 1. So we are calculating the process the burst time. So process, so average waiting time is 1.0, but the burst time and the arrival time is calculated here. And the round robin method, we are going to discuss about the process which comes in. So enter the number of process. So we are creating a processes and the time for each processes, and if we are calculating the time, initializing the count, and we are declaring the some values, so that it will calculate the burst time, and so here also time slice using based on the time slice. Two processes is one is 12 and the burst time is 2. So the time slice becomes, we are initializing, that is the int value, and the bt value is here. So if it is greater than 0, the bt value is greater than 0, then it will the bt value will be get subtracted by the timestamp value, and it will be incremented, and the count, if count is greater than 0, we are printing the processes. So if it is greater than 0, it is printing the value. So round robin. Thus, the program is executed successfully for scheduling, for FCFS scheduling and route sorting. Thank you, ma'am.